Let's jump right in. Welcome to this explainer. Have you ever wondered how computer systems take messy, everyday documents and magically turn them into actual, actionable intelligence? Well, today we're answering one very specific, absolutely crucial question. What exactly is the role of annotated knowledge in text reports? We're going to decode the master key that makes raw text actually useful. Here's the roadmap for today. We're looking at the 5 distinct roles annotated knowledge plays. 1. Unlocking unstructured text. 2. Semantic information retrieval. 3. Powering case-based reasoning. 4. Training AI and extracting trends. And 5. Automating compliance and auditing. Let's get to it. Section 1. Unlocking unstructured text, the data trap. So in pretty much every critical field out there, highly valuable information is being generated constantly. But, and here's the catch, it gets locked away in messy, unformatted text. We're talking about doctors' clinical notes, complex manufacturing diagnostics, aviation accident logs, and, those incredibly dense legal contracts. The data is all right there, but it's a massive trap. Why? Because machines just can't natively understand human rambling. So how do we actually bridge that gap between raw text and true machine understanding? Well, the answer is annotated knowledge. Technically, it's the process of enriching raw texts with structured semantic labels, basically metadata that correspond to domain-specific schemas. But honestly, just think of it like sticking clear digital sticky notes all over messy data. You're attaching machine-readable meaning to specific words based on their specialized field. It's brilliant. All right, moving on to role 1, semantic information retrieval. Take a look at the contrast here. Standard keyword searches, like the one on the left, honestly fail a lot of the time because they're extremely literal. They only look for exact words and completely ignore the context. But on the right, annotated search literally changes the game. It links terms to unified ontologies. In medicine, these are massive, highly structured databases like UMLS or SNOMED CT. This allows the system to actually understand context instead of just blindly matching letters on a page. Let me show you exactly how this semantic retrieval works in practice. Imagine you're running a database query for cardiac arrest. Because annotated knowledge is working in the background, linking related concepts together, the system successfully pulls up reports that are labeled with myocardial infarction or heart attack. The exact phrase you typed might not even be in the document, but the system still finds the correct life-saving information. Okay, role 2, powering case-based reasoning, or CBR. No, CBR is this fascinating AI paradigm that tries to solve new problems by looking back at similar past cases. But unstructured text, it's totally useless to these engines on its own. To make it work, we have to assign what are called knowledge roles. By annotating reports with distinct roles like symptom, diagnosis, treatment, and resolution, we transform a messy, wandering narrative into a structured, indexable case. They aren't just blocks of text anymore. They contain specific features that AI systems can instantly compare and query to solve brand new problems based on how we resolved things in the past. Next up, roles 3 and 4, training AI and extracting trends. So annotated corpora serve as the absolute vital ground truth for training AI models. Think about it. If you want to train an AI for complex NLP tasks like named entity recognition, which is basically just teaching a computer to pick out specific names, places, or diseases, or text classification, you absolutely need thousands of human annotated reports. It's quite literally the only way these machine learning models can learn the incredibly complex patterns required to do things like detect equipment failures or spot hidden contract obligations. And once you have that annotated data, you can scale it way up to extract massive industry-wide trends. Let's look at aviation analytics as an example. By annotating reports, organizations can take thousands of completely unstructured incident logs and turn them into neat, structured tables. First, you annotate fields like incident cause and aircraft type across all those documents. Next, you build relational graphs from those annotations. And finally, safety officers can run statistical queries to spot systemic, recurring failures. It's a total game changer for safety. Which brings us to our final role, role 5, automating compliance and auditing. So how does this actually work in a high-stakes, fast-paced environment? Well, annotated knowledge enables compliance systems to automatically verify if reports contain all the legally required details. Imagine an automated AI agent that can scan a complex radiology report and instantly check if annotations for the procedure, the findings, and the recommendations are all present. If even one thing is missing, the system instantly flags it as incomplete. This ensures absolutely nothing falls through the cracks, which, is pretty critical in healthcare. We've just seen how annotated knowledge acts as the ultimate bridge between messy, raw text and true machine understanding across 5 incredibly powerful roles. So I'm going to leave you with this thought. How much critical data in your own industry is currently sitting there, completely locked inside unannotated, unstructured text? Think about that untapped potential just waiting to be unlocked. Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer, and keep learning.